Good morning, students. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today, we're going to be talking about integers. And our goal or objective for today is to add the same signs and to add different signs. Before that, let's review what integers are. So if I have here a number line, and I'm going to label it with 0 at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. This number line consists of the set of integers. So therefore, integers consist of a whole number or whole numbers and the negative numbers. Okay, so before we proceed with addition of the same signs, which are either both positive or either both negative, and different signs, which is positive and negative, let's review first what is an absolute value. Okay. So what is an absolute value? So again, let me draw here a number line. Of course, the origin is at 0. So if I'm going to ask you, what is an absolute value of 5? It means to say that you are asked to get the distance of 5 from 0. So an absolute value means that you are asked for the distance of 5 from 0. So what is the distance of 5 from 0? Of course, it is just 5. The same way, if I ask you to find the absolute value of -3. Okay, so of course, absolute value, as we said, it's the distance of -3 from 0. So the absolute value of -3 is just equal to 3. So it means to say that any number, if we are asked for the absolute value, supposing we have the absolute value of -10, so the answer is just 10. The absolute value of 99 is just 99. The absolute value of -36, whatever number that is, if it's positive or negative, the answer, if we're asked for the absolute value, it's always its positive value. Right? Okay, now let's proceed to adding integers. First, we're gonna add integers with the same signs. Supposing we have 13 plus 9, so they are both positive, it's simple, we'll just simply add them, so the answer is 22. If I have here a -21, so if it's negative, we need to enclose that in parentheses to avoid confusion with the plus sign. So if I have here -21 plus -13, so they have both same signs, so we'll just simply add them. The answer is -34. Right. Another example, if I have here -16 plus -26, the answer is -42. Okay, now, I want you to formulate a rule for this. So what is the rule then for adding integers with the same signs? We just simply, of course, add the numbers and copy the common sign. So whatever sign you can see for both that is common for them, so just simply copy them. Right? So that is about adding integers with the same signs. Again, you'll just simply follow this rule, add the numbers, and copy the common sign. So before I proceed to the second type, what about if I have here negative 12, okay, negative 12 plus negative 13 plus negative 9. So what do you think? Of course, all of them have the same signs, so we will follow the rule, add the numbers, and copy the common sign, which is negative. Then proceed to addition. 12 plus 13 is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. So the answer is negative 34. Okay, cool. Now, we can proceed to adding integers with different signs. Do you think the rule in addition of integers with same signs will apply to adding integers with different signs? Okay, let's have some examples then. So if I have here 29 plus negative 12, so again we'll enclose this into, we'll enclose the 12 or the negative 12 in parentheses as to avoid confusion with the plus sign and the negative sign here. So the answer will be positive 17. Right. Okay, another example, if we have negative 63 plus positive 21. The answer would be a negative 42. Another example, if we have here negative 27 plus positive 59, the answer will be positive 32. One more. If we have here negative 9 plus positive 15, the answer will be positive 6. Okay, can you see the difference now? Can you figure out how we found the answer here? So then let's create a rule or formulate a rule. So what do you notice? So if we add integers with different signs, do you notice that are we adding them really? Of course not. We're not adding them because look at the results or the sum of adding integers with different signs. So instead of addition, we are here subtracting. We are using subtraction. So subtract the numbers. And which sign are we going to copy? And copy this sign. The sign of which one? The sign of the number with greater absolute value. That's why we discussed in our first slide about absolute value. With greater absolute value. Okay, so again, what is the absolute value of 29? It's just 29. The absolute value of negative 12 is just 12. So which one has the greater absolute value? 29. And what is the sign of 29? It's positive. So that's why our answer here is positive. But if it's positive, we really don't have to write the positive sign because it's understood to have a positive sign. Here, we subtracted 63 and 21, which give us 42, and getting the absolute value of both number, the absolute value of negative 63 is 63, and the absolute value of 21 is 21. So which number has the greater absolute value? It's 63. I mean, it's negative 63. So we copy the sign of 63, which is negative. So that's why we have here a negative sign. The same with negative 27 plus 59. The number with a greater absolute value is 59. And what is the sign of 59? It's positive, so that's why we have a positive 32, which is our answer. And the last one, same thing. The absolute value of negative 9 is 9, and the absolute value of 15 is 15. So the number with greater absolute value is 15. That's why our answer is a positive number, which is positive 6. Okay, so that's all for now, and I hope you learned something, and I will give you some exercises to answer. Okay, so it's your turn, and I want you to do this in a paper. Add. Okay, so that's all for now, and I want you to write your comment below for the answers of these 3 exercises. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.